The test. Long ago, a learned Brahmin had a son. The Brahmin sent his son to a hermitage for education. One day, the teacher decided to test the students. He told them, "I am very poor. I need money. The best way to get money is to steal it." All the students, except the Brahmin's son, started planning various ways of stealing money. The teacher noticed that all the students were busy except for the Brahmin's son. The teacher came to him and asked, "Why are you sitting here? Are you not going to steal for me? Do you not have pity for me?" The student replied, "Sir, I sympathize with you fully. I can do anything for you except stealing. It is against my principles." The teacher was very happy as the student had passed his test. The teacher said, "You have passed my test with flying colors. You are truly virtuous." The fine leather straps. Once, a king was out in his chariot. His chariot was drawn by 2 white horses with fine leather straps. When he came back, nobody bothered to unfasten the fine leather straps. The king's royal dogs chewed on the leather straps. The next day, a servant told the king that some stray dogs had chewed the fine leather straps. The king was very angry and gave death sentence to all the stray dogs. The dogs went to their king for help. The king of dogs was a divine spirit. He went to the king and spoke in a human voice. "I will prove to you that the royal dogs ate the leather straps and not the stray dogs." He requested a servant to bring buttermilk and grass for all the royal dogs. As soon as the dogs drank the milk, they vomited. With the vomit came out bits of leather. The king was satisfied and took back the death sentence. The dog and his debt. A dog was very loyal to his master. His master was also very happy with him. But his master noticed that his dog went away somewhere in the night and came back in the morning all wet. The master decided to follow his dog one night. He discovered that his dog swam across a river and guarded another family at night. The master got very angry with his dog. That night, the dog appeared in his master's dream and said, "In my previous birth, I owed some money to that family, so I am repaying my debt by guarding that family." The next night, the master tied some money around the dog's neck. The dog went to the other family and gave them the money. He was happy that he had paid off his debt. He thanked his kind master for the help. The Dumb Prince. Once, a queen was childless. She prayed for a child and her wish got fulfilled. Once, the prince heard his father giving a harsh punishment to some men. The prince was disturbed as he did not want to punish anyone. He decided never to become a king. But he needed a way to avoid being a king. A priest advised him to become dumb and inactive to avoid being made the king. The prince did likewise. The king realized that his son would never become well and decided to end his suffering. He told his servant to kill him. When the servant was preparing to kill him, the prince got up and told the servant everything. Then he went and told his parents why he had become dumb and inactive. He took their blessings and became an ascetic. Later, his parents also followed him.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.